In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make and record a journal entry in QuickBooks Online. This process is straightforward once you know where to go and what information you need to input, so let's dive right in. Begin by navigating to the top left of your QuickBooks Online dashboard. Here, you'll see a button labeled New. Go ahead and click on that. This is your starting point for creating a variety of entries, including invoices, expenses, and importantly for today, journal entries. Next, from the drop-down menu that appears, select Journal Entry. This will open up a new window, which is where you'll enter all the necessary information for your journal entry. The date for the journal entry will automatically default to today's date. But if you need to change it, for example, to backdate an entry or plan for future transactions, you can easily do so by modifying the date section. Just click on the date and select the one that aligns with your specific requirement. In the top right corner of this window, you'll also notice options to edit the journal entry. It's always good practice to double-check this section to ensure everything aligns with your intended financial records. The ability to adjust entries here can be quite useful, particularly if you're handling complex transactions. Now, it's time to enter the details. You'll find a table where you can start inputting all the necessary information. Typically, you'll need to include accounts, debits, credits, and descriptions. Make sure each entry is accurately recorded, as mistakes can complicate your financial statements later. Take your time to ensure everything is entered correctly. Double-check account numbers, amounts, and values to avoid any discrepancies. Towards the bottom of the form, you also have the option to add a memo or attachments if they are applicable to your journal entry. This can be particularly helpful for record keeping or audits, as it provides additional context or related documentation that supports the entry you're making. Once you've carefully input all the necessary details, you're just about finished. The final step is to save the entry. Simply click the Save button, and just like that, your journal entry is recorded in QuickBooks Online. That's all there is to it. You've successfully made and recorded a journal entry. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this guide has made the process clearer and easier to follow. Whether you're new to QuickBooks Online or just looking to refresh your skills, remember that practice makes perfect. With time, creating journal entries will become second nature. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out in the comments below. Happy bookkeeping!